You introduce a new piece of data into a JavaScript program. The browser saves it as an instance of the data type. Every string instance has a property called length that stores the number of characters in that string. You can retrieve property information by appending the string with a period and the property name. Console.log hello.length. So it prints 5. So basically what's going on here is it's counting the amount of characters within the string, which is 5 characters, and it prints out with the .length object, it prints out the number 5. So it's just counting the amount of characters within the string. So dot is another operator. We call the dot operator. In the example above, the value saved to length property is retrieved from the instance of the string hello. The program prints 5 to the console because hello has 5 characters in it. Use the dot length property to console to log the number of characters in the following string to the console. So remember dot length, and okay, so as you can see, there's 30 characters. And if you want to make sure, you can just count them. But yeah, there's 30 characters.